Hello student, welcome to the online lecture. I am Assistant Professor Miss S.V. Jagtap from DG College of Commerce Satara. In today's lecture, I am going to teach you the scientific process of selection. So first, what is mean by selection process? Here, the meaning is given. The selection process refers to selecting the right candidate with the required qualification and capabilities to fill the vacancy in the organization. The selection process is quite a lengthy one and also complex. It involves a series of steps before the final selection. It means the selection process means the selecting the right candidate with required qualification, capabilities or skills which are required for the specific job or a specific task in the organization. The selection process is lengthy and also complex because it involves various stages for final selection. Before final selection means the procedure of selecting the employees may vary from industry to industry according to their own needs. Every organization designs their own selection process while keeping in mind the urgency of hiring the people and the requisite for the vacancy of the job. It means here the procedure of selecting employees is different in different organization. It not same means first recruitment, and after that application, after that return test, after that interview or reference check, medical examination and final selection. These processes are not followed in all organization or all industry, but it makes some difference means here some difference are there, and so that the procedure of selecting the employees may vary from industry to industry, uh, and the process of selecting employees, there are some low, lower low stages in some industry, or some industry follow the all selection process stages. So selection process means the selecting right candidate with the required qualification, required capabilities and the skill to fill the vacancy in the organization. And the procedure of selecting employees is may vary from different industry to industry according to their own needs. Next, steps in scientific selection process. Here are the stages or steps in recruitment, in selection process. First is recruitment, second is application, third is return test, fourth is interview, after that a reference check, medical examination, final selection, placement and induction. So these are the stages or steps involved in scientific selection process, and these stages are followed in some companies or some organization, not followed in all industry. They need uh, then they vary their selection process is different in different organization because of their needs of vacancy or need, because of their need in post. So this process is different in different organization. So first is recruitment. Recruitment involves the following stages: job analysis, determining the sources of manpower and advertising the vacancies. Job analysis means the personnel department first does the job analysis. It is the process of collecting, analyzing information about the job, means job description. It is known as job description means the collecting information, analyzing the information about job and the qualities required for doing the job. Which qualities are required for doing a particular job or particular task. These qualities are uh, collecting information about these qualities required for the job. This is known as job specification. Means here in recruitment involve job analysis, and job analysis involve the job description and job specification. After that, determining the sources of manpower. After this, they search for all possible sources of manpower. Advertising in leading newspapers and on the internet is one of the best source of manpower due to a wide choice, because the in today's world, here all people are visit internet and see the advertisement or newspaper in online, in social media, uh, on social media, and these are the very popular source of recruitment. So the internet is one of the best source of manpower due to a wide choice. After that, advertising the vacancies. The personal department advertises the vacancies. The advertisement should contain detailed information about the job, the required qualities or quantities of candidates, the company, etc. All suitable candidates are asked to submit their application to the company before a particular date. It means here the advertisement the vacancies, and after that the all suitable candidates are asked to submit their application to the company before a particular date. These are the stages in recruitment. After that, second stage is application. Application means here examining the application and sending the blank application. So examining the application means the personal department start receiving applications. They examine these application in detail. The candidate who are not qualified for the job, incomplete application received late, etc. are rejected. And the sending application blanks means the remaining candidate are sent application blank. An application blank is a fact finder. It collects information about the candidate's background, education, training, experience, reference, etc. The candidate have to fill up the application blank and send it back to the organization before a particular date. Means here photograph, copies or certificate, etc. should also be sent along with the application blank. The means here in application sending in application, here are two stages: examining the application and sending the application blank. After that, return test. After receiving the fully filled application blanks, the personal department examines them. Incomplete application received late, etc. are rejected. Here, incomplete applications and application received late, etc. are rejected. The remaining candidates are sent call letters for written test. It is held to test the performance, aptitude, interest, intelligence, personality, etc. Means here these tests are conducted by psychologists and educationalists. They may be a descriptive or objective test. The candidate who are successful in this test are given call letters for the interview. Means the candidate who are successful in this test, means test may be descriptive or objective written test, are given call letters for the interview. After that, interview, they take interview. Next stage, an interview is a verbal and visual interaction between two or more persons for a particular purpose. An interview is an oral examination of candidate. The main purpose of an interview is to match candidates with job. There are many types of interview, means group interview, individual interview, panel interview, stress interview, etc. And uh, in this interview it may be verbal or visual interaction between two or more person for a particular purpose. An interview is an oral examination of the candidate. Next is reference check. Reference check means here after the interview the personnel department checks the references of the successful candidate. These references are contacted personally or by telephone or by letter, and they are asked their opinion about the candidate. The main purpose of reference check is to collect information about the past performance of the candidate in order to judge his future performance. The accuracy of the information given by the candidate can also be checked. Next step is here medical examination. After the reference check, the candidate have to go through a medical examination. Uh, this this is the done to find out whether the candidate is physically and mentally fit to do the job. Means here the in medical examination, here check, the organization check whether the candidate, or find out whether the candidate is physically or mentally fit for the job. Next is final selection, placement and induction, and it is a last stage in selection process, scientific selection process. This is the last step, or last step in scientific selection process. Final selection, placement and induction. The candidates who are successful in the medical examination are issued appointment letter, and they are asked to join the organization on a particular date. On the joining date, the candidate is properly placed and inducted. These are the stages involved in scientific selection process, and these stages are vary from industry to industry or organization to organization. It is based on the needs of the organization or need of the post. So thank you.